Japan, a captivating island nation in East Asia, is a harmonious blend of ancient traditions and cutting-edge modernity. Japan is a country known for its stunning natural landscapes, rich cultural heritage, and modern attractions. Here are 10 of the most famous and beautiful places to visit in Japan. Number 1. Mount Fuji. This iconic volcano is Japan's highest peak and is renowned for its symmetrical shape. Climbing it is a popular activity, and the view from the summit is breathtaking. Number 2. Kyoto. Known as the cultural heart of Japan, Kyoto boasts numerous historic temples, shrines, and traditional tea houses. Don't miss the iconic Fushimi Inari Shrine and the beautiful Arashiyama Bamboo Grove. Number 3. Tokyo. Japan's vibrant capital city is a blend of modern skyscrapers and historic temples. Visit the historic Asakusa district, the trendy Harajuku neighborhood, and the famous Tsukiji fish market. Number 4. Hiroshima Peace Memorial Park. A poignant reminder of the atomic bombing in 1945, this park contains the atomic bomb dome and various memorials promoting peace and reconciliation. Number 5. Nara. Home to friendly, free-roaming deer and some of Japan's oldest temples, including Toraiji Temple with its massive Great Buddha statue, Nara is a must-visit city. Number 6. Hokkaido. Japan's northernmost island is known for its stunning landscapes, including the beautiful Shirotoko Peninsula, Dasetsun National Park, and the vibrant city of Sapporo. Number 7. Okinawa. A tropical paradise in the south, Okinawa offers beautiful beaches, crystal clear waters, and a unique Ryukyuan culture distinct from mainland Japan. Number 8. Koyasan, Mount Koya. Located in the Ki Mountains, this secluded mountain town is a center of Shingon Buddhism and features stunning temple complexes, lush forests, and a peaceful atmosphere. Number 9. Nikko. Famous for its elaborate Toshogu Shrine, Nikko is surrounded by lush forests and serene lakes, making it a great destination for nature lovers. Number 10. Miyajima Island. Also known as Itsukushima Island, this island is famous for the Itsukushima Shrine and its floating torii gate, which appears to be floating on the water during high tide. These are just a few of the many beautiful and culturally significant places you can explore in Japan. Each region of the country offers a unique blend of natural beauty and historical richness, making Japan a diverse and captivating travel destination. For more tours and travels destination and information, follow our YouTube channel, Traveler's Sunshine.